Hey you guys, today we'll do another unboxing. I got this order from OCOOCH Hardwoods. That is OCOOCH Hardwoods. And I'll be honest with you, I ordered this a few weeks ago. It came and I forgot what I ordered, but I will unbox it with you guys. Hopefully they have a packing list inside so we know exactly what I ordered. I do believe I got one of their exotic cutoffs, and then I got some other stuff that I need for some boxes. And not only that I will open this, but you get to vote in the description below, put a comment which one of these woods we should use for the next project. And I will be doing that. Next video will be a project we will be using the wood you chose. So let's start. Should we start with the big or the small box? Let's start with the big box. Let's open this guy. There's some really nice stuff in here. This is not the cutoffs from what I see. I think it's stuff that I order. All right. Yes, we have a packing list. So let me open the little one as well. I want to see if that one has a packing list or this packing list is for both of them together. All right, it looks like the small box is the 10 pounds of offcuts, the exotic offcuts. And then here is some stuff that I purchased to make some boxes. So I'm gonna get you closer. So I'll do the lumber that I ordered first, and then I'll do the offcuts so you guys can see what it comes in the 10 pounds of offcuts, the exotic ones. This is a beautiful blank, well, two of them. Look at this. And they look like they are book matched. You see that? Beautiful, beautiful book match. And I believe this is black limba. I am not sure, but I do know I ordered some black limba, and I think this is what might be. So a book match, it's about a 1/4 inch thick. Then I have a beautiful, beautiful plank of canary wood. I mean, look at that. And this is a 1/2 inch. Very, very beautiful. It looks like another book matched piece of walnut. Really, really beautiful walnut. 1/2 inch, book matched. I mean, look at that. Isn't that pretty? I hope you can see it. But it has so much figure in it. So these are a 1/2 inch walnut, book matched. I love it. Very, very nice. Very happy with that. This is some big chunky one. I lost my knife somewhere. There it is. Looks like another piece of walnut, and this one I think was just thrown in there for packaging. But look at this aromatic cedar. Really, really pretty. This one, it's very thick. Smells nice. And I got two of these guys. They are not book matched, but that's okay. Look how nice it is. That's how thick it is. Very, very nice. I could have got you the prices in there too. Let's see. So the red cedar was $21 for both of those planks together. The walnut book match was, hold on. Oh, there's more stuff in here. Hold on. Wow. Check this out. I believe this is olive wood. A nice big plank of olive wood. Very, very nice. And then I'm not sure what this is. I'm not sure what this is, but it's another big chunk. Could be canary wood. I don't know what it is, but another thick one. So that's the stuff that was in the big box. Oh, I love this thing. Look at that. Like I said before, let me know in the comments below which one should we use for our next project. So I'm going to put this in. You know what, you guys? These guys that I said they were walnut, I believe is rosewood, because I got, in my packing list, it says I got Bolivian rosewood, 2 of them. So I think this is the Bolivian rosewood, so it is not walnut. Very, very nice. Let's look in the small box, which is the offcuts. This is a thin 1/8 inch walnut. Very, very nice. Then I have a 1/2 inch aromatic cedar. Very, very nice. And then for the offcuts, it looks like we have some wenge. Then we have some, might be lace wood. I'm not sure what this is. Some 1/8 inch, maybe cedar or something. Another plank of it. This is a 1/4 inch. Looks like we got some yellow heart, maybe 1/4 inch. Really, really nice offcuts. Some more yellow heart. This one is more orange tone. Maybe some, could be redwood. And they are book matched. You can tell better on this side, I think. I think they're book matched. More of this, I don't know what it is, probably cedar. And then a beautiful plank of something. This one looks like it's cupped. I'll have to try to straighten it, but it's beautiful. Look at that. Then a piece of rosewood. Very, very nice rosewood, about 1/8 of an inch. And another rosewood. Very, very nice. And that is all I got. As I said before, please write in the comments below which one of these woods should we use for a project next. And I hope this was helpful to you and you learned something new. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Skylar Ewing, and I'll see you in my next video.